Right, hello everybody. Welcome to FixitNige. I had a little thing to sort out. There's a lane that runs up the side of me, up here. Little lane goes all the way up there. It's a restricted byway. And the trouble is, there's a lot of motorcyclists that keep using it, and they shouldn't. But the farmer can't stop them. But he's let it overgrown quite badly. And the trouble is, I go up there with my dog, and a lot of other people go up with their dogs, and we've been having to check them for ticks quite a lot, which they've been having, so due to the long grass up there. Anyway, I went and saw him and asked him if he wouldn't mind that, because I use it a lot, and my dog, if I could mow it, or at least keep it clear for walkers and that, and he said yeah, okay. So anyway, the plan is I'm going to build something like this. It's a flail mower that goes on the front of a quad bike. So that's the plan. I've got an engine that I've got on my petrol compressor, which is easy to swap over. It's only 4 bolts and I can change it over ever so easily, so that's not a problem. So anyway, there's not a lot to it. So I've got a few bits of steel, mainly offcuts and things, and I'm just drawing up some ideas for the end plates. The end plates will be 5mm plate. The cover plate will be 3mm steel plate and everything, and then there's a bracket that goes underneath the quad bike and holds it up. So anyway, that's the plan. So I will get on with designing that. This is where the cutting cylinder will go, and then there'll be flail arms off that. That'll be the cutting circle. So I'm going to stay within that thing, and I'm going to put an adjustable, what I'll do is put an adjustable piece on here on the outside with a roller on the back, and then like the one on the screen, I'm going to put adjustable feet on the front dolly wheels, just so it rides on them. So that's the plan anyway. And they've got a winch on there, but I haven't got a winch. I'm just going to put a wire rope up to a lever just to lift it off the floor if I need to. So anyway, that's the plan. So I'll get on designing and cutting out some bits of metal, and I'll be back later. Cheers for now. Alright, hello, welcome back. I've done the basic frame, and what I'm doing now is I'm just going to score this sheet metal. This is 3mm, this is going to be the outer skin. So I'm just scoring it with an angle grinder to make it easier to bend. So hopefully I won't bugger the camera up. Put my safety glasses on. Bum, 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 bum. Glasses are steaming up, can't see what I'm doing. make it a little bit bend. I'll bend that one first. Right, find some clamps. And the like. And piece of bar stock. Righty ho. Thing is, most of this is guesswork for now. I could have took it up the engineering company. They've got a big press brake, but it's guesswork on the angles at the moment. And that's something I really must get, is a proper angle finder. And I've got an old plastic one, but it ain't much cop. I wouldn't rely on it for proper angles anyway. Right. I need to get this. It won't fit in there. I've got a little bender on the end of my bench, but it won't fit. So you have to do it this way. Need to lift that up. Put that on the edge of there. Oh crap. Down. It's working now. Right. I'll get on with that and bring you back in a bit. Cheers for now. Right, okie dokie. I had to go to the engineering company in the end. I couldn't bend that. But what I have done is I've put grooves down it. So anyway, this has now got to go in here. I want a bit more bend on that one. That one don't look too bad. That one's got to go up a bit. I have to weld them. A bit too much, but never mind. Right. I want to trim off a bit. Got a bit of a trim there. That's going to be the back, that's the front. The word ouch comes to mind. Typical, you can't get the bloody thing in. When you turn it over, it falls in. Damn it. Got to sit there, and then just go that way a bit. I'm going to trim a little bit off that edge. Shouldn't need it really. Right, let's tack that one in place. Tack that in place. Come down and sit on there now. That's got to come and sit on that line there. Right. quite a hammer. Clamp that one and knock it into shape. There we go. Lovely job. I'm going to tack that. Come back, all is forgiven. Right. Just turn that off for a bit. That's a bit layered, that fan. So and we can make sure it's all in shape. That's got to go that way a touch. Like that. That's good. And that one's got to go. That one away. Tack that. Yeah, that spot has got to come off over there. Oh, it's already on, that's okay. Clean that one off then. Stay. go up here somewhere, you might be able to see a bit better. Something like that. And it's got to come in and down. Ratcheting strap. Where's the ratcheting strap? That might help actually. Oh, that's all long. That's long enough. Aha, there we go. That's better. I need to pull them two ends together. Right, there we go. That's the base. I'm going to get a ratchet strap and pull that together. That's the crux of the machine. So, right, I'll get on and weld all that up, and I'll bring you back later when I'm starting the. What am I going to? Oh, I've got to do the cross thing. So, cheers for now. Right, to the template. These are plasma, cut these out. There, and then a bar will go across. That will go there and there somewhere. And a bar will go across here, which will hold the bracket for the piece that goes on the quad bike. And then these, I'll put another section on there, and that will hold the wheel, the dolly wheel, so that it keeps its own height, and you can adjust the dollies up and down to whatever, you know, depth you want. So that should be it. So these are just got to be cleaned up, and Stevens on that. Weld them on. There we go. Right, I'll work that out and I'll see you in a bit.